Let's create a service order. The Sales tab has a 3-column layout. On the left is the Staff panel with a search bar and technician list. In the middle are the services. On the right is the order cart with customer info. First, select a technician. Tap a staff member to assign them to this order. Now look at the category tabs at the top: nail services, waxing, and additional services. With nail services selected, you can see options like manicure, pedicure, mani-pedi, and more. Tap manicure to add it to the order. Now tap pedicure to add a second service. The order card on the right shows both items with the subtotal, tax, and total. You can enter a customer phone number and name in the customer information section. When the order is ready, tap Submit Order to proceed to payment. That's how you create a service order in Salon G2.